Do you have copyright ID things on there, and do you want to know how to remove copy ID claims on your videos? We're going to get into that right after
Remember
this.
to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Good morning, this is Karl F. Rose on recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Monday, November 4th, 2019. And today we're going to talk a little bit about copyright and something that I want to address to YouTube. And I'm not talking about a strike, I'm not talking about a claim, I'm talking about a third-party content. I'm going to show you how to remove it very easily. We're going to edit two videos that I recently did, and it was my fault. I forgot about the background music. But anyway, here on the Studio Beta dashboard, you don't have anything. I would like YouTube to put like a little banner or something up here, or a card. See, and there's nothing in here about the copyright of the music that I have in the background in two videos here. The only way I can do it is by going back into Classic. So here's the way to find out. So anyway, on the dashboard, go under here to the left, you scroll down there and you go to other features, and you can scroll over here, and you got all these things that are still in Classic. Let's just go into playlist, and it'll take me to Studio Classic, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this will just take a second here, and we're going to fix these. I'm going to try and fix these. Oh, I went to okay. No, okay, let's go. Okay, yeah. Hopefully, let's try this. Let's go into Creator Studio. Hopefully, this will take me into Studio. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. I'm in the Classic. If you saw that, I went into my playlist on the left there. Then I went up to my little thing here, and I clicked on there, and I went to Creator Studio. And then see, now that I know that I'm Classic, it has this button here, back to Studio Beta. But let me tell you about it. And let me go into dashboard. Let's see, community. Let's see. There's going to be a little tab here, or channel. Okay. Oops. Yeah, dashboard. Video manager. Okay, let's go in the drop down here, and the only way, I was looking for something else, and then I just accidentally discovered it. Okay, let's go into, okay, where's copyright? Damn it. Okay, yeah, here we go. Video manager, and you got under video manager, got videos, playlist, and because of the music, then you click on here to the left, copyright notices. It's the only way. I was looking for something on my playlist on my tablet, and that's the only one. See, okay, includes copyrighted content here. Okay, I didn't get a strike or anything like that. Includes copyrighted content. Okay, we got one video that's 5 minutes and 33 seconds long, and another video that's 1 minute and 16 seconds long. So I'm going to show you how to just take care of this. It's going to be a few hours, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to there's about 2 or 3 seconds of a copyrighted song in the video. I'm not going to play that. I'm just going to overwrite the music, and with YouTube with YouTube, I've got so many things going. I can't even think right now. This is really upsetting, but anyway. Just bear with me, and we're gonna get there. I've got telemarketers coming up my butt, and I'm getting really pissed off. So anyway, let's get into this. Okay. Well, I got somebody trying to talk to me. I gotta. So uh, 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 well, yeah, okay, yeah, okay. All right, so we got all this going. Okay, so I've got all this going on. And okay, so let's go into edit here. And let's drop down. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, then I'm going to click on audio. So I'm going to try and find something that's a YouTube suitable, suitable to get rid of this little copyright thing. It's not a strike or anything. It's just that a third party, I'm not monetized, but a third party's person is making money on it, and I just don't like this little copyright thing on here anyway. So I just want to get rid of it. It's just my preference. So let's go into audio, and I'm going to try and find something. Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Add or replace. Okay, I want to do 5. Okay. All right. All right. Let's kind of mute that. Okay. All right. And this is one of my 360 degree videos. And this is the flattened version. But I'm going to... normally when I have it on my selfie stick, I'm so far away from the speaker that you can't hear my voice. So this is just an error on my part. I just need to find, I'm going to find something that's about 5 minutes and 30 seconds here. Let's find something that's about 5 minutes. Okay. Search all tracks. Oh, can I? Okay. Okay, let's try something, find something. I'm just going to be looking here for something that's about 5 minutes. I really don't even care what, I'm just looking for the, does it have, I'm just trying to figure something out here, so you're just going to have to bear with me. I'm really pissed off right now. Okay. Duration. Okay, let's go with duration. 4:30 to 5. Over 5. Okay. Over 5. Okay. 5:13. Bingo. We're just gonna play this. Good. Let's see if I can do this. Can I? Let me. Okay. Can I? All right. Okay. You can add these songs. Okay, YouTube has commissioned thousands of royalties for use in videos. You can add these songs to your video in the tool below. Okay, so I guess, okay, I'm just going to go ahead with this one. I'm going to add to video. All right. Save changes. Okay, save changes. Okay, okay, good. So that's how we're going to do that one. Okay, now let's go back to the other one. Let's go back over here and do the same thing. Oh, yeah. Go back to the other one, and we're going to save, edit the other one. Okay, and that's, should say edit in process. I hope. All right, let's edit this one. This is a 116. Let's edit this one. Okay, audio. Okay, again. See, viewing restrictions none. Oh, I put, okay. Yeah, okay. I put music on from another source. Okay. So, all right. So I'm going to replace that. Let's see. Duration. About 1 to 2 minutes. Duration. 1 to 130. Okay, 1 to 130. Let's go with that. 119. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, we're going to go with that. Add to video. Okay, we're going to save changes. Okay. 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 All right. There we go. And that was just a way for me to do that. And but I wish there would be a banner in the dashboard, in the beta dashboard, saying that there was copyrighted content on there. Anyway, I just fixed those. It's going to take a few hours, but I might revisit those two videos and show you how it came out. I'm going to probably just go into the Classic and look for the copyrights and let you know that those notices were taken away. But that should do the trick. And anyway, I will talk to you later.